Yeah.
Here we have Chris. Chris, would you like to share with us a little bit about your experience here in the last month and what what we were able to accomplish?
Absolutely, I would. I originally came in with extreme back pain. I broke my back when I was 16 and had a lot of degeneration in my lower back and was losing the curve in my neck. And in the first adjustment, Dr. Gorgas was able to make the hip pain that I was suffering constantly go away completely.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's great. And my neck has been getting the curve back, and the upper back pain that I was suffering from that, it has subsided substantially. And in addition, we did blood work, and I have low adrenals and was having a midday slump where basically I crashed and had to sleep. And so we worked with that and made it so now I don't have that anymore. I go through my day, start out my day with high energy and go through my day with high energy.
How are you sleeping?
And as a result, I'm sleeping great and not tossing and turning all night like I used to.
Where before you were having trouble sleeping,
I was having trouble sleeping. I would have the 2 a.m.s where I'd be up at 2 a.m. and I'd be up for hours, and then about 6 a.m. I'd feel like I had to go back to sleep, but that's when I have to get up and start my day.
Wow. So we did the ASI, the Adrenal Salivary Index, and that showed us the slump in your midday, so we started supplementing you in that midday, and as a result, you don't take naps now?
I do not take naps, except on Sunday.
All right, great.
It's my rest day.
Great. So did you have any idea that your adrenals were off and that that you might have had something, the adrenals might have been affecting your sleeping?
I did, but that's because I have some education in that area, but I think most people, or when I was first starting to become aware of it, I was surprised that that would affect sleeping so much. So yeah, but yeah, that's made a huge difference, the adrenal.
Great. So you had the chiropractic care.
Yes.
You had the ATM.
Yes.
And then you had the metabolic work.
Yes.
And then you've been very loyal to the program by exercising, and you're getting the great results.
Yes, wonderful, fabulous. I feel better now than I've felt in years.
Excellent. So you've been experiencing the TLC that we offer here, treatment and lifestyle changes?
Yes.
Great.
And your staff is very caring and professional, and they obviously really care about everybody, and so do you, and that just makes a huge difference when you walk in and you feel like the people there are genuinely care that you get well.
Thank you, Chris. So you would have no problem referring anybody here?
I have no problem. I have been referring people.
Great. Thank you so much for your honesty and your testimonial.
My pleasure.
All righty.
Bye.